Hi, you will participate in a 3D sound experiment. Please put headphones on and close your eyes to be completely immersed. If you don't want, it's possible to see the video anyway. Hi, this is me, and I will take the control of your spirit and of your brain. Don't worry, you keep the control. You can stop anytime and open your eyes. I'm just bringing you with me in my life. So, I'm Antonin Flachat-Berne, I'm 19 years old and I was born in the city of Nancy, in the east of France. Then, my parents decided to go to a place more peaceful called Saint-Évertin near Tours. I obtained my baccalaureate SSC with merit. Then, I went to Blois, a city that has remained in the Middle Ages, with horses, church, and dragons. Don't worry, they're not real, but they live in the magic music. In Blois, we can find the IUT, where I'm studying the MMI, Métiers du Multimédia et de l'Internet. This consists of graphic design. Please, open your eyes momentarily to discover some works I did. Web development, communication, and my favorite one, audiovisual. Now, close your eyes again. Let me take back control. And yes, let's take a car. Or boat. Yeah, that is better. Or you know what? Let's be crazy. A spaceship. I do MMI because I want to have something more and because I like it. But I always wanted to do visual effects. Okay, I admit not always. When I was young, I wanted to become a gardener. Then, video games interested me. But I have always liked to create new things. With my brothers, TV show, roleplay and scenery. Or alone, with drawing, car, or music. So what's cool to do? I went to Paris Image Digital Summit 2018 and I asked two big companies what's cool to do in France, and I think that you can guess what was the answer. ArtFX seems perfect, so I opt to be among the students at the next school year. So, that's all about me, myself and my dreams. Now, I'm bringing you back to your house. Let's take the light speed. Goodbye and thanks.